Okay, let's continue with our animals on the farm. Animals on the farm. So let's see sheep. 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 Okay, that's good. So it is a sheep. It is a sheep. That's good. Sheep says what? Sheep says ba 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 ba. Okay. What does sheep say? Sheep says ba ba. Okay, that's good. Let's go to pig. P pig. 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 Okay. So it is a pig. So what does pig says? Oh no! I. Okay, that's good. So that's pig. Let's go to cow. Cow. It is a cow. It is a cow. So what does cow say? Cow says, that's good. Good job. Cow says, that's great. So what animal do you like? I like cow. And cow says, that's great. So see you again and let's study together. Goodbye.